Now today is going to be fishing out of Amazon's cheapest inflatable fishing kayak. So today I'm gonna bust the myth that these cheap inflatable fishing kayaks are garbage, because this is a great choice for those of you who live in cities, live in an apartment, maybe you don't have a truck, maybe you don't have room. This can fit in the passenger seat of a smart car, set up in minutes, and is an absolute blast to fish. And I'm here to debunk the myth that cheap inflatable fishing vessels are just not a good option. Today we are on one of my favorite grassy points, and I suspect that there is going to be quite a bit of trout. So let's get fishing. There he is. There's a fish. Nice trout. Real nice trout, baby. Woo! Oh, he cup checked me, dude. That is what I'm talking about, baby. Haha. This boat is so sick. Heck yeah. Woo! Sorry for this glorious angle of my body, but seems like you gotta pay for shots like these days, so consider yourself lucky. I love cheap boats, and I love portable boats. Oh yeah. Oh, it's turning us. There it is. There she is. Woo! Oh, the GoPro! There she is. Got another trout. Whoa! Dang it. I was trying to get a shot of it and he flopped over the edge. Heck yes. Oh yeah, ate it at the boat. You silly guy. No! Oh goodness. Oh, he's whipping, baby. Oh, he's whipping. Gosh, that was a downright dink machine. Oh, missed him. Come on. There he is. There he is. Yep. There he is. That's gonna be a little guy. That's gonna be a little guy. Maybe not. It's actually decent. That's actually a decent fish. Heck yeah. Nothing too buck wild, but bigger than the other ones. Heck yeah. Oh. You can get this kayak in the link in the description, as well as the Bixby if you would like to pick it up. It's carried by Tiny Boat Nation now, which means that you can get my 5% off coupon code for this motor, which means you're gonna get almost $150 off of this motor and battery kit. So sick. There he is. There's another one. Ooh, he's pulling us, dude. Oh, he broke off. No. No. That was a big fish. All right, I've retied, I've reset. We drove back up here using the motor. And yeah, I was not planning on actually fishing today. Oh, there he is. There he is. Goodness gracious. Oh, that's a decent trout, dude. Oh yeah, that's a decent trout. Oh, I wish I brought my net. Oh yeah, baby. That's a nice keeper right there. That is a nice keeper. Woo! No money, no problem, baby. $499 kayak, dude. I can't even get him up. Look at this turd. Okay, I did forget my net again, classic. So, I'm gonna have to wear this guy out and get him with the fish grips. Come on, dude, give up. Give up. It ain't gonna happen, buddy. It ain't gonna happen. Oh, this is so sick. 30-pound kayak, dude. 30-pound kayak. Oh, he's wrapped up. He is pulling us, though. Heck yeah, dude. Dude, we got him. Let's go. No way. Okay, Not as big as I thought, but that's probably, I don't know, 17, 18-inch trout. Nice, dude. Absolute monster gator trout. Biggest gator trout. I've never caught one that big. That's a 30+ inch trout. Just swam right under the kayak. That's what I love about this thing. It's so stealthy. That is nuts. There he is. There he is. Ooh, he's running towards me. Woo, look at him go. Get back here, boy. Get back here, boy. Yes, sir. This guy, he's a little lighter. Little lighter. We'll just grab him in. Another one in the kayak, baby. I've watched probably $1 million worth of skiffs run through here. And gosh, this thing costs $4.99. Now, I am cheating a little bit because I do have a motor installed on my kayak here. So we're gonna reverse it a little bit. I'm gonna work this drop off. Yeah, we do have a motor. There he is. There he is. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Get over here, little dinker. Little dink machine. There you have it. 4-inch mulligan in the Slam Shady color. That's what we're using today. Oh. That's why I didn't get anything on that cast. That ain't gonna work. There he is. There he is. Another little one. Ooh, got a little head shake there. Little head shake. I think it's small. Come here, pumpkin. Oh, actually not. Yeah, he's small. And he shook off. He's pretty small. All right, that's what we like to see. A little quick release on those little squirts, you know? You don't have to deal with them. I'll take it. Ow! This kayak's hot. All right, if I catch a windy... What? If I catch a fish right here, I'm getting windies on the way home. And as much as I want, no, Whataburger. If I catch a fish right here, I'm gonna splurge at Whataburger on the way home. If I don't, I go home to my wife's lettuce wraps. You know, it's all right. Please catch a fish. No. Eat it, please come back for it, dude. If I catch a fish on this one, double or nothing. If I catch a fish here, not really fair because I'm already getting hit. If I catch, oh, I got him. I got him. Ooh. Came off. All right, double or nothing. If I catch a fish here, I get to go to Whataburger for lunch, and I get to splurge at Slim Chickens for dinner. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Oh. Oh, yeah. Ooh, we got a little pull on this turd. Yeah, baby. This might be a decent... You're joking. You're I thought this was gonna be like almost 20-incher. He just came off. That was an underslot. He was fighting. Oh my gosh, every cast, baby. Every cast. All right, I think I'm gonna set the hook a little bit harder and tighten the drag so I don't take a hook to the eye because these things are flying off. I mean, I prefer it that way, but I don't want the hook flying off the fish. Yeah, my drag was really loose. We got a better hook set now. I was like, what is going on? Oh, this is so, dude, it is well over 100 degrees. The heat index, the feels like, is probably 100. Just as I was talking about how hot it is, my GoPro overheated. All right, we might have to take a break here. Let this GoPro cool down. And switch up the angle so you don't have to stare at my sweaty belly this whole time. I apologize, but not to the fish. I don't apologize to them for nothing, baby. Get over here. Not a very good hook set either. It's a small one, he can come off. Yeah, he came off. If it's a big one, you gotta finesse them in. You don't want that hook coming out of their mouth. I mean, if it's a small one, I just like to wrench them in so they come off. Sometimes I'll kind of, you know, dangle it a little bit or even let the line out so they can shake it out of their mouths. All right, folks, that's all I got for now. I don't have a ton of battery life on this kayak, and we are about 2 miles away from the house. So I'm going to wrap it up here, but I just wanted to prove that you do not need to bust out the financing department. Hey, even if my video on the $600 plastic John boat was a little bit too much, maybe it wasn't really price-wise, but you know, you didn't have the storage for it, you didn't have the vehicle for it. Well, here is an epic fishing solution that fits in the passenger seat of your car, that is even cheaper than the John boat, and I mean, it takes up no space. As always, tight lines and God bless.